Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're adding a splash of color and hydration to your beauty routine with a product that promises to care for your lips while adding a fruity touch. We're talking about the NIVEA Lip Care Fruity Tinted Lip Balm Variety Pack, featuring cherry, strawberry, blackberry, and watermelon flavors. These lip balms claim to provide deep hydration, repair, and a subtle pop of color, all in one convenient stick. But do they deliver? Let's find out. When it comes to lip care, most of us are looking for something that not only moisturizes, but also feels nourishing throughout the day. NIVEA promises just that with these tinted lip balms, which combine deep hydration with a beautiful, natural tint. The pack comes with 4 flavors: cherry, strawberry, blackberry, and watermelon. Each stick contains 0.17 ounce, offering a total of 4 balms in the set. The key ingredients in these balms are what make them stand out. Shea Butter, nourishing oils, and vitamins C and E are included to hydrate and repair dry, chapped lips. For those who prefer natural formulations, these lip balms are made with 98% naturally derived ingredients, free from preservatives, phthalates, and silicones. They're also dermatologically tested, ensuring compatibility with sensitive skin. Real-life testing revealed that these balms were easy to apply, gliding on smoothly without any sticky residue. The texture is soft, but not too greasy, making them comfortable to wear throughout the day. The color is subtle, offering a hint of tint without overwhelming your natural lip color. Whether I wore them solo or layered them over a lip liner, they delivered a soft shine that complemented my lips without feeling heavy. I've used these balms in different settings, during my morning routine, while running errands, and even while winding down in the evening. They provided consistent hydration, and I noticed that my lips felt nourished even after the balm had worn off. I'm particularly fond of the fact that they offer real moisture, not just a quick fix that leaves lips dry once the balm fades. One of the biggest advantages of these tinted balms is their versatility. They're great for everyday use, providing hydration with a burst of fruity scent and a beautiful finish. The packaging is compact and easy to carry around, so I found myself reaching for them frequently throughout the day. As for the cons, while the tint is subtle, some users may prefer a more intense color payoff. Additionally, if you're not a fan of fruity scents, the fragrances may not be to your liking. The balms don't offer long-lasting color like some traditional lipsticks, so reapplication is necessary after eating or drinking. In terms of value for money, this NIVEA Lip Care Variety Pack offers a solid deal. For a pack of 4 tinted lip balms at a reasonable price, you're getting a good balance of hydration and color without the hefty price tag of high-end lip products. The quality of the ingredients justifies the price. And considering that these balms are dermatologically tested and made with natural ingredients, it's a fair buy for those looking for both performance and value. If you're searching for something more pigmented or long-wearing, you might want to explore other lipsticks or balms that offer a more intense color payoff. However, if you're after something that moisturizes, nourishes, and offers a slight tint for everyday use, this pack fits the bill perfectly. Now let's talk about build quality. The sticks are lightweight and the packaging feels sturdy. They twist up easily, ensuring that you can apply the product without any hassle. The size is also perfect for carrying in your purse or pocket, so there's no excuse for dry lips while you're on the go. Overall, this NIVEA Lip Care Fruity Tinted Lip Balm Variety Pack lives up to its promises. It provides a great combination of hydration, subtle tint, and nourishing ingredients, all while being affordable. If you're looking for a lip balm that delivers more than just basic moisture, this set could be a fantastic addition to your beauty routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.